All right, so this morning we are testing out the single battery. So this thing should be balanced directly on the main shaft. So we'll see how this goes.
Ground idle. Heading hold. Flight RPM.
Nice, I didn't have to give it too much cyclic in order to get off there.
6 minutes.
Pretty balanced. Pretty smooth out here this morning. Not too much wind. Got no excuses this morning. Wait for these guys to clear out of the... Now see, that's hands off. That's not doing much. A little drift of the wind. Get it over here, see if I can get it stopped. And so there's all hands off. A little down collective. See, it's drifting the other way. So it's not the wind.
5 minutes.
Let's see what it does on a forward flight. Not too much cyclic input there. Still kind of going up and to the right. A little bumpy this morning. So it doesn't seem to be too bad. Say not as smooth as having it nose heavy. I could say it flies either way.
4 minutes.
Better get in here before I run the battery down to nothing on the normal timer. Oh, fuck. Wake you up in the morning.
Ground idle. Rate mode.
Yeah, it does make you pucker a little bit.
Yeah. Switched off.
Been there, done that.
Done, yeah.
One skid's cool trick, but don't repeat it.
Yeah, no. So yeah, definitely, I would say flies smoother, nose are heavy. It's not uncontrollable. It's very controllable. It is different. So we'll see how much battery juice we took out of there, and then maybe we'll fly it again with another battery. And you can see this is how I had the battery. So it is balanced just barely in front of the main shaft. All right, let's see how much juice I got left out of this one pack. 44%. So a 4-minute flight easily out of a 3000 would be pretty good. So, all right, we'll get out of here and do some other stuff.